In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find hidden apps on your iPhone. That is, if you have hidden some apps on your iPhone and you have been looking for ways to get them back, this is how you can easily get them back. It's very basic and very simple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to your iPhone home screen. As you can see, this is my iPhone home screen. So what you want to do here, I want you to scroll to the app library. I want you to swipe right. So once you scroll to the extreme edge, you can see this is the app library on iPhone. I hope you can see this screen. So once you are here, what you want to do, I want you to scroll down to the extreme bottom. As you can see, this is the extreme bottom. If you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see a section over there which says hidden. As you can see, it is showing no app, but it is saying hidden. This is where all your hidden apps can be found. So how do you want to see this app? What you want to do is very simple. You want to tap on this hidden. Once you tap on this hidden, once you tap on it, it will ask you to put in your Face ID, and all your hidden apps will be shown to you. As you can see, I have successfully taken 3 apps to my hidden section on this iPhone. As you can see, I've taken the YouTube app, the InShot app, and this Cowrywise app. So these are the hidden apps on my device. So guys, this is how you can actually find any hidden apps on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.